The Marxian theory of economic development. Karl Marx, the celebrated author of the Thus Capital, is one of the few celebrities in history who cast a spell on hundreds of millions of people by their doctrines. He has been epitomized as Marx the prophet and is ranked with the Christ and Muhammad if we are going to judge by him number of his followers. As Schumpeter wrote, Marxism is a religion. To the orthodox Marxist, as any believer in a faith, the opponent is not merely in error but in sin. Marx predicted the inevitable doom of capitalism, and it was on this prediction that communism has built its edifice. The Marxian analysis is the gravest and the most penetrating examination of the process of capitalist development. It had the greatest influence in shaping the policies in the Soviet Union, China, and other communist countries. First, we look into what is theory related to the development. We look into the Marxian interpretation of history. It is the very famous the interpretation of history we are going to study in both in history, economics, political science, and also in logic and the thought. The materialistic interpretation of history attempts to show that all historical events are the result of continuous economic struggle between the mode of production between the two groups of people. One is haves and another one is the have not. The main cause of the struggle is the conflict between the mode of production and the relation of production. The mode of production refers to the particular arrangement of production in a society that determines the entire social, political, and religious way of living. The relations of production relate to the class structure of society. It is characterized by the organization of labor in a scheme of division and cooperation, the skills of labor, and the status of labor, and the geographical environment, and technical means, and the process and state of science generally. According to Marx, every society has class structure. It consists of the two, one is propertied and another one is the non-propertied class. Since the mode of production is subject to a change, a stage comes in the evolution of a society when the forces of production come into clash with the society class structure. And this existing property relation turn into factors on the force of production. Then comes the period of social revolution. This leads to the class struggle, the struggle between the haves and the have-nots, which ultimately throws the whole social system. And the next concept is about surplus value, capital accumulation, all or his main contribution to the concept of economic development.